My name is Somji Singh. Today we're going to talk about cooking equipments. This question is regularly being asked in every test. So I want to discuss about this. What equipment do you use in your kitchen? Or what cooking equipment do you use in your kitchen? So this question is asked. So many of them we always stuck what to answer, what not to answer on this. So if you haven't heard the many equipments name, we will discuss in this video today. When it comes to the equipment, there are number of equipments which we use in kitchen. It does not matter you work in an Italian restaurant, Mexican restaurant, Indian restaurant, Indonesian restaurant, Thai restaurant. Every restaurant has got most of the equipments. But if you work in a such as a Crown or Langham Hotel or any other hotels if you're working in, so I think you may see the new equipments which you not regularly use in the restaurants. So I'm going to talk about today what type of equipments do you use. So there is from small to big equipment you have to elaborate in this question. So mainly if you use oven, you can name it oven. If you use griller, tandoor or a clay oven, or you use salamander, or you use microwave, you use hot plate, you use griller, fryer, ladle, spatula, and ladle and service spoon, slotted spoon. You can say knives, chopping boards, and slicers, dicers, robocoop, stick blender, hand blender, and you can see the tong, scraper. You can see the cornichons. You can say the combi oven tray, right? Hot box, and you can say dough machine or dough mixer, pizza oven, right? And you can also say juicer, right? So apart from that, these are the normal equipment like you use in your kitchen, right? Apart from that, there is a big equipment also we use like fonts. Font is a big equipment we mostly use for bulk cooking, and after that there is we also call it bread pans, sauce pans, non-sticky pans, saute pans, or sauce pans, right? So these pots, these also we use in a kitchen. So make sure you have to be familiar with all these ones. They can also ask you what sort of like how do you operate them, right? So if you say if your examiner say like you have the combi oven, can you turn it on 180 degree for 10 minutes and preheat that? If you don't know how to operate them, then there is a problem. Then examiner can easily assess that you haven't worked in kitchen, you just here for only on the test date. So make sure when you answer these questions, you should know how to operate them, how to deal with them, and how to use them. So then you can able to explain it more precisely why we use these equipments in the kitchen. All are the equipment what you use in the kitchen. Make sure you are familiar with it. If you are familiar with it, you can easily respond this question. If you like this video, you can hit a like button, and you can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you so much for your support and love, and everybody keeps supporting and sharing videos, and it's such a great help. I'll see you with more new videos which regular being asked in the test. And till then, take care of yourself and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.